I didn't bake a cake recently, and I thought of doing this marble chocolate mud cake recipe for you all. For this recipe, I'm using 250 grams butter with a teaspoon of vanilla and 250 grams caster sugar. You can add another 25 grams if you like to add some. 3 eggs, then 180 milliliters buttermilk. What I did, I got 175 milliliters milk, and I put 5 milliliters of lemon juice into that to make buttermilk. Then 25 grams cocoa powder, another 3 tablespoons of milk to dissolve the cocoa powder in the milk. Then I have 110 grams dark chocolate chips and 110 grams white chocolate chips. Actually, I don't have white chocolate chips at the moment, so I'm using melts. You can use the little chips like this in the recipe. So let's start. So preheat the oven to 180 Celsius and line a baking tray 23 centimeters or 22 centimeter cake pan with baking paper. So first I'm going to add the butter into the mixing bowl with the sugar. So for this recipe, make sure that you use softened butter and the sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla, and start mixing this about 2-3 minutes or until light, creamy and fluffy. So when the butter is ready, nice and creamy, add the eggs and beat it until it's nice and fluffy. Now on a low speed, add the flour and mix the flour with the butter, sugar and the eggs. Now add the milk. Once the batter is ready, divide the batter into 2 equal parts. I'm going to leave half of the batter in the mixing bowl and take another half into another bowl. So into the half in the mixing bowl, add the chocolate cocoa powder that dissolved in the milk. If you find when you dissolve the milk is not enough, always add a bit more milk, it doesn't matter. And mix this really well with the cocoa until it combines. When you do this, make sure that you scrape down the edges of the mixing bowl all the time, and add the dark chocolate chips into the flour mix or the batter and mix it. Into the other mix, add the white chocolate chips and mix it well. Now you need 2 spatulas for this, so don't mix both together. Take the tray that you have prepared already. Make sure that you grease it really well. If you are using a non-stick pan, make sure you put one into the paper into the bottom. So scatter the chocolate and the white chocolate mix into the pan like this. So I'm going to put the white one in between. After scattering the 2 mixtures, just take a fork and spread it evenly all over the tray, just to give that marble effect. Don't over mix it. And I'm going to bake this on 180 about 50 to 1 hour, 50 minutes to 1 hour, or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. So the cake is ready, and I baked this about 50 minutes and leave it in the pan about 5 minutes and slowly take it out, and when it is cool enough to handle, I will show you how it looks like. So the cake is ready to handle now, so cut a piece This is a really nice cake for kids' birthday parties, or even a nice rich cake for a family gathering. And hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.